Whirlpool White Magic Elite User Manual Washing Machine. Please go through this instructions guide to know your appliance better and simply call the Whirlpool Home Care Center in case of any queries. Whirlpool User Manual. Know your machine. फर्स्ट है इसमें कंट्रोल पैनल, देन कंट्रोल पैनल, टॉप, लिड असेंबली, टफ एंड ग्लास, मशीन हैंडल, कैबिनेट, अंडर बेस। ये मैं ग्राफ के साथ ही इसमें दे रही हूँ, सो प्लीज चेक आउट दिस वीडियो whenever you are going to hear this. Okay, now detergent dispenser, balance ring ASSY is ASSY, basket, prime mover or aggipeller or variator, AGIPELLER. All images used on this manual are only for illustration purpose. Whirlpool White Magic. Welcome to Whirlpool family. Dear homemaker, congratulations on your new appliance and welcome to the Whirlpool family of homemakers. We believe that happiness begins at home and aim to have our products deliver the very best for a happier home. At Whirlpool, we endeavor, ENDEAVOR, we endeavor to make your life easier and more enjoyable with an extended range of products from washing machines, refrigerators, cooking products, and air conditioners to water purifiers and built in appliances, always helping you to make a happier home. Please go through Please go through this instruction guide to know your appliance better and simply call the Whirlpool Home Care Center in case of any queries. We look forward to years of happiness and a lifelong relationship with you and your family. Yours sincerely, Head Marketing, Whirlpool of India Limited. Contents देख लेते हैं इसके. Know your machine. Welcome to Whirlpool family. Installation, control and features, cycle or program guide. Using your washer, special program, special features, troubleshooting, washer maintenance, simple tips, additional accessories, safety precaution, war- warranty, specifications, wiring diagram, service at your doorstep. Installation standard installation, leveling the machine, floor level. Do not place the machine on a slanting, uneven or unstable surface. Place the machine on a solid leveled surface to avoid excessive vibration and noise during operation. इसमें कुछ डायग्राम्स हैं, ठीक है, इससे पता चल जाएगा कि उसका लेवल क्या होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट है प्लेसिंग द मशीन. इंस्टॉल द मशीन फ्लैट एंड हार्ड सरफेस. ये जो है ना, दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजिट ब्रैकेट. हाँ, ओके. Installation the machine flat and hard surface. Do not expose the machine to direct sunlight or rain. Do not install the machine in a damp place or bathroom. Ensure that the machine should be positioned so that it can be easily accessible. Unscrew the two screws and remove transit bracket or refer picture. Never attempt to operate the appliance if it is damaged, malfunctioning, partially disabled, or has missing or broken parts, including a damaged cord or plug. Remove the packing items. Ensure the assembly of rat mesh at the time of installation. Place the drain hose flat on the floor before operating the machine. अब इसमें ना placing the machine दिखाया है, and the next one is place the drain hose flat on the floor before operating the machine. Make sure the drain hose is connected to washer. A bad installation can cause water leak from the outlet hose. Electrical connections. Ensure the earth connection in your electrical supply is proper before connecting the power cord. The socket should be standard and independent of 3-pin type of 230 volt AC 50 Hz. A connection with separate line, fuse or circuit breaker of the value of 6A. Switch off the machine power supply when machine is not in operation. Electrical caution. The appliance must be earthed. EARTHED earthed. The Whirlpool of India Limited declines any responsibility for damage caused by failure to observe this rule. You are therefore advised to check that your household supply has efficient earthing. If the power cord is damaged, it must be replaced by the Whirlpool authorized service person in order to avoid hazard. It's HAZRD. Do not use manual stabilizer. Do not use an extension cord. Water pressure. Water tank 7 feet and there is a tap. ओके जिसमें मैं काफ़ी लॉस हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस दिस पॉइंट कि हम जब मशीन को प्लेस करेंगे तो उसमें जो पानी का फ्लो आता है उसका जो वाटर टैंक है उसका कम से कम जो डिस्टेंस होनी चाहिए दैट शुड बी 7 फीट। ठीक है, तभी वो उसको ले पाएगा पानी को, अदरवाइज नहीं ले पाएगा। दैट इज मिनिमम। मैक्सिमम कितना भी हो, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी एन इशू। Water pressure with the new ZPF technology, the drum will fill 50% faster even at 0.02 MPa and water tank height of 7 feet. Suggestion to improve water flow rate for a faster flow rate, the water tank height from water inlet tap should be 7 feet. Ensure no blockage in water line. Note, installation shall be done only by Whirlpool authorized service engineer. Parts removed during installation like screws, inlet valve plug should be properly disposed. Do not place or store laundry products on top of the appliance at any time. These products may damage the finish or controls. This appliance is intended to be used only in household and not for commercial usage. How to connect inlet water pipe. The inlet water pipe connection will be demonstrated by the service engineer when he comes to install your washing machine. However, the steps for the connections are given below for your reference. Inlet water pipe to be connected to the water tap. The inlet water pipe connector consists of two parts. A. The tap adapter. B. The inlet water pipe. Use the adapter only on circular cross section of taps. Do not use an elliptical or hexagonal mouthed mouthed tap since the screws will not grip the tap properly. Steps to follow. Loosen the 4 screws of the tap adapter. Press the tap adapter against the mouth of the water tap. Detach the ring if it is smaller than the mouth of the tap. Tap adapter choking board. Tighten screws evenly. Insert the inlet water pipe into the tap adapter and rotate in counterclockwise direction so that the pipe sorry 1 second. So that the pip, it's pip in the inlet water pipe gets locked into the groove of the tap adapter. Next, clean filter regularly. Tap adapter, remove filter, twist, pull down water supply hose. How to detach inlet water pipe? Close the water tap. Rotate the inlet water pipe in the clockwise direction and pull it downwards. Fit the other end of the inlet water pipe provided to the machine inlet. The machine inlet washer. Make sure the inlet water pipe is connected to the washer. A bad installation can cause water leakage from hose inlet and outlet. How to connect a drain house. How to connect drain hose? The drain hose connection will be demonstrated by the service engineer when he comes to install your washing machine. However, the steps for the connections are given below for your reference. Steps to follow. Insert the drain hose to the drain outlet area of the machine. Press the hose clamp. While pressing, push the clamp and the hose simultaneously towards the body. Release the hose clamp after insertion. Do's. Always ensure that the end of the drain hose is below the outlet port of the washer so that water is drained completely. Don'ts. Avoid submerging the end of the hose. Height of the door sill or bump, if any, should be less than 5 cm. Make sure that the hose is not kinked or brushed between wall and the washer. Total length of the drain hose should be less than 3 meter when an extension hose is used. Ensure that the hose is not blocked with any foreign objects. Also ensure that the hose is not crushed. Make sure the inlet water pipe is connected to the washer. A bad installation can cause drain hose inlet and outlet. Next, control panel and features. For models White Magic Elite 6.5, 7 or 7.5, Whirlpool 6123 wash. So it's P1, P2 and P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, 10, 11, 12. P1 is daily, P2 heavy, P3 delicate, P4 whites, P5 stain wash, P6 antibacterial, P7 woolens, P8 bedsheet, P9 eco wash, P10 rinse plus dry, P11 dry only, P12 wash only. The one is power, second is program, third is start or pause. Now check water voltage fluctuations. Soak, wash, rinse, dry, express wash, child lock, delay wash, time remaining, water level, auto, low, medium, high, max, hard water wash or heater modes, warm, hot, allergen free, inbuilt heater. The first one is power button. The first one is power button. Press the power button to turn the washer on. The machine switches off automatically at the end of the wash process. Second program select the appropriate program depending on the type of clothes being washed and how dirty they are. Press the program button repeatedly to arrive at the desired program option given above the button. Start or pause. Press the start button to begin the washing process. Pressing this button again will cause the machine to pause. You can now add clothes or change the selected options if required. Press the button again to restart. Check water. It indicates no water supply from tap or filter